Becoming wealthy takes literally just 3 steps. The first step I would take if I want to become wealthy was to build a personal brand. You can get paid from a personal brand for things like speaking gigs or sponsorships and endorsements. The possibilities are endless, but what you need to do is post amazing content on the social web each and every single day. Social media is democratized. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. If your content's amazing, the platforms will showcase it to people who they think would be interested in your content, even if they're not following you. The second thing I would do is reinvest in myself. Diversification isn't how you build up the most wealth. Look at Bill Gates and Steve Ballmer. Steve Ballmer owned less of Microsoft than Bill Gates. Now, Steve Ballmer, who owned less shares of Microsoft than him, who didn't diversify, is worth more than Bill Gates on the Forbes list. The third thing you need to know is money is a tool. Don't be afraid to reinvest it, especially when you see opportunity in an area. For example, if you see that you're investing in yourself and your own personal brand and you're seeing growth, double down on it, because it'll pay dividends later on. You just got to be consistent for over 3 years.